Hello everyone, welcome to Analytics Spike YouTube channel. Today's video I will discuss about how to track Facebook pixel checkout with Google Tag Manager. Step by step discussion. Let's start this video. Previous video I will discuss about how to track Facebook page view, Facebook view content, Facebook add to cart tracking. If you have not seen these videos, then click on I button and watch this video. Thank you. Let's start how to track Facebook pixel checkout with GTM. Firstly, we need to go Google Tag Manager. Previous video, I will set up this type of page view content, add to cart. This video, I want to set up Facebook checkout tracking. Firstly, we need to click preview button. Then given your website URL, then click connect. This is my demo website. I need to click this product, then add to cart, click add to cart. If I check preview section, my add to cart, Facebook view content and Facebook page view tag already fired. I need to create view cart, then click to process to checkout. If I check here, this is begin checkout. I need to track this button, then click here. This is product product currency, product value, product item, everything is here. I need to track this type of elements like product currency, product value, product IDs, content names, content types, event name, everything. Firstly, I need to create some variable. Need this variable. If I check Google Tag Manager preview section, need to click data layer, then scroll down. I need this variable e-commerce dot items. Then firstly copy this section e-commerce, then go to variables, then click new pencil icon, then find out data layer variable, then paste here e-commerce dot need items, and copy, then paste here, and given this name like this, copy this, then paste here, then save. I need another variable like this. Copy this section, then click new pencil icon, then data layer variable, given this name. No, sorry, this is not variable configuration. I need to create custom JavaScript variable. Then click pencil icon, then find out, scroll down, custom JavaScript, then given this name here, then click here, then copy this code, copy this, then paste here. I need to change here then click here. All right, okay, then click save. I need to create another variable. copy this name, then click new and select icon, then find out custom JavaScript and paste here, copy this code, and paste here. Need to sense, find out e-commerce items, then save. Everything is here. Then go to Google Tag Manager text sections, then click new pencil icon, then find out Facebook pixel, then given Facebook pixel ID name, find out Facebook pixel ID, then find out initiate checkout, and everything is same, and find out object properties, then add properties, go to this sheet, copy this name and paste here, content drive, paste here, content name, paste here, content IDs, paste here, value, paste here, then currency, paste here. Then given this name, event name, initiate checkout, paste here, and content type product, content name, click here, then find out product names, CJS, custom JavaScript product names, then find out product IDs, then need to value, click here, then find out value. I need to create a another variable, and find out data layer variable, then go to here, e-commerce dot value. Need to e-commerce, copy this e-commerce and dot value. Given a name like this, DLV values. Then everything is same. Then click here once per page. Then triggering. I need to create a trigger. Click plus icon, then pencil icon, and find out custom events. Go to PV section, find out this event name, begin underscore checkout. Copy this and paste here, and given a name, checkout triggers and save. Then given a name, need to give a name, copy this, initiate checkout hyphen text, then click save. If you don't understand any part of this video, please comment in the comment section, then I will reply. Then click preview button. I need to, something is error here. I need to fix it. I fix this problem, then click preview button. Then given demo website URL or your website URL, then click connect. Then go to any product and visit any product, then click add to cart. Add to cart, view content, page view, track fire, then click view cart and need to create proceed to checkout and click proceed to checkout. If I check here, Facebook Pixel Helper, everything is here. Value, currency is not here. Facebook initiate checkout tag fire. Something is missing here. I need to check. Go to here and currency, then click here. Then find out currency, DLP currency, then save. Then click preview button. Please wait a little bit. Continue. Then go to website and click any product. Then click add to cart. Then click view cart. Then click proceed to checkout. If I check here, initiate checkout, everything here, product name, product content type, product currency, initiate checkout, everything is here. My text setup already tag already fired. Text setup done for Facebook checkout tracking. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please stay connected with us Facebook page, Twitter page. If you have any requirement, please mail this mail. Please follow our LinkedIn page. Thank you.